The last part of the program is to define methods. Methods implement certain behavior or action that an object can perform. Each method declaration has 5 major components. The first is access identifier. A public method can be accessible to all other classes, and a private method can only be accessed within the same class. A return type of a method is the data type of the value returned by the method. For example, a method can return an integer value. Then the return type could be one of the 4 primitive types of integers, including byte, short, int, and long. If a method returns a floating point number, the return type could be float or double. It is also possible that no value is returned by a method. In this case, the void type, or void, is used. Any valid Java identifier can be used as the name of a method. Small camel case is often used as naming convention for methods. The parameter list is a list of type parameter pairs separated by a comma. The list is enclosed by parentheses, even if the parameter list is empty. The body of a method is enclosed by a pair of curly braces. The body of a method is often divided into 2 major parts. The first part is declaration of local variables, and the second part consists of Java statements that do the actual work. In the new class example, a method with the name sample method is defined. The accessibility of the method is public. The type of value returned by the method is int. There's only one parameter, y, which is of int type in the parameter list. The body of the method has only one statement. The return x plus y, where x is an instant variable declared at the beginning and y is the parameter passed to the method. Notice that the word returned here is a Java keyword. The expression x plus y would add up the 2 variables, and the result, which is of type int, would be the return value by the method sample method. If you go back to the car example, you'll find that the declaration of the class car follows the same structure. It starts with the header, which specifies the name of the class being declared, in this case, car. The body of the car declaration starts with instance variable declaration. In the next lecture, we'll also talk about class or static variable declarations. Instance or class variable declarations are followed by constructors declarations. Constructors are used to create new instances of objects. In this case, there are 2 constructors, one with no parameter, the other with 1 parameter of string type. The constructor declarations are followed by method declarations. 3 methods are defined here. 2 of the methods are of void type. That means no value is returned by the methods. Both methods print out a message on the console on the actions that they are supposed to perform. In the move car method, it also changes the value of one of the instance variables, odometer. The third method, getOdometer, returns the value of odometer, which is of int type. A method like this, which returns the value of a private field, is often called an accessor or getter method. We will take a look at another example to further illustrate these ideas.